Okay, so moving along with the idea of diverging and converging, this is one of those points where you're starting to converge. So you've brainstormed a lot of different ideas, and now we're going to have you sort them into conceptual ideas and concrete ideas. The concrete ideas are the ones that are going to have the most value because they're the ones that you can imagine testing and prototyping. They're the ones you can feel like you can get your arms around. Conceptual ideas are a little too big to test or to prototype. You can't really picture it. It's not that tangible. So we have an exercise where we're going to have you sort your ideas by concrete and conceptual. We've got a short video that shows you how that can work.
So what if we do, like, these are conceptual, they're kind of not really nailed down very much, so let me put a conceptual.
Okay.
And then these are concrete, so like they're like grounded down to earth.
Okay, that's a great idea.
Okay, and so let's go ahead and kind of sort them, and we start putting more the ones that are kind of conceptual because I don't know how to prototype concepts.
Yeah.
But we do know how to prototype concrete. This is about like ideas to, you know, kind of build on and test out. So why don't we start sorting them?
Okay. So like talking about veggies in school, that's kind of like more conceptual,
I think that's
right?
more conceptual. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah. Veggie vending machine. That's pretty concrete. I got that one.
Okay. Veggie toothpaste. Crazy, but concrete.
True. Kale guy, same.
Make everything green. That's probably conceptual.
Conceptual for sure. Yeah. Safeway purchase on kp.org. That's pretty concrete.
Veggie images. That's conceptual.
Smoothies. Yeah, it's ish. That's not that.
Messages.
Here's an app that takes pictures. That's pretty concrete. Legislation? No, that's conceptual.
Okay, so what we're really
Yeah.
doing is these are things that I can imagine how to make, and
Yeah.
these are things that I don't really know what they are.
Yeah.
So that was the video on sorting between conceptual and concrete. Again, it's a really important thing to do because one, it helps you start to converge on some of your ideas after you've come up with a lot of them so that it's manageable. But two, but also to identify and to build on ideas that that you could actually move forward with. And so, as you saw in the video, you know, the concrete ideas are oftentimes the ones you can immediately start to explore and learn from and learn about, whereas the conceptual ones are really hard still. So I'm going to give you guys 10 minutes at this point. Look at the ideas that you guys generated from the brainstorming that you guys just did from before, and organize these into concrete and conceptual, and try to take some of the conceptual ones and make them more concrete. Okay, and after you do that, we're gonna get you know, we want you guys to, you know, you can use voting dots, like those little colored dots, or you can just use your markers and go up to the post-it notes and vote for your top 3 favorite ideas. And then as a team, that way you guys can start to identify a small subset that you guys can explore. One quick tip: explore the ideas that people voted for, but don't throw them away. Like, don't throw away the ideas that people didn't vote for, because sometimes you might need to go back to them.
Exactly. Good point. So just to summarize, you've got 10 minutes. Use those 10 minutes to start sorting your ideas into conceptual and concrete. Once that starts to slow down, you've got about 2 minutes left, then start your voting.
Great.
Great.
Have at it.